Hey guys, it's Riv, and I would like to showcase some stuff. I just went to the mall, and I got a little something. It's a Captain America fidget spinner. It's a shield. Pretty cool. Got a pineapple case. I don't know what that was. A pineapple pop socket, if you know what pop sockets are. If you don't, check them out. They're cool. By the way, you know pop sockets? I'm gonna make my my own one that says like my name on it and stuff. It's gonna be cool. Stay tuned for that. So yeah, just a little showcase. Well, I didn't showcase my phone stuff, but I'm using my pop socket right now. I'm like holding it right now. Makes it so much easier. See, I can like put you upside down. See? Oh, I didn't put you upside down because am I upside down? Oh no, tell me in the comments down below. It doesn't say it's upside down for me. Well, that's gonna be tricky. I don't know, but yeah, I just want to showcase and woo. What? Okay. Okay. Awkward. But yeah. So this is my little secret sizing spot. Oh gosh, I don't want to step in the shit. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, I just stepped in the dirt like I did not want to. Okay. Put it back in the corner. Okay. Back in the corner. I just like to chill back here. So let's get out this way. Ow! She got stung. Bee. Ow! Wait, did I? I felt some stinky winky on my leg. Now it hurts. Okay. Why am I whispering? I don't know. But stop whispering. Okay. So it's a garden. This is not where I live. Well, I'm living in two different places right now. So I keep visiting different places where I live. Carrots. Beans. There's peppers. Peppers are growing. I'm gonna be planting my own soon, but fidget spinner day life. Wait, that didn't make sense. Let's rewind that. Fidget spinner life. All day, bro. There we go. I was like, life fidget spinner low dough. Low dough. Well, if you enjoyed this video, which is really short, make sure to go smack that bell in the face. And make sure to subscribe and like the video. And if you want more content like this, subscribe, hit the bell, like I just said. And thank you for watching. And there's a text. Move, please. Okay. See y'all. Fidget spinner day.